Strong hurricane-force winds continue to fuel wildfires in California. The largest one in wine country has burned an area more than twice the size of San Francisco and destroyed nearly 60 homes.
And to add insult to injury, power companies are warning they could be rolling out new rounds of public safety power shutoffs, even in areas that aren't being threatened. CBS 4's Danya Backus is live for us in Los Angeles, where the massive effort to contain the flames continues. Danya.
Good evening, Elliott and Ruta Bay. We are now getting to see more of the devastation caused by the Getty fire. Multiple homes have been destroyed, and the fire threat isn't over yet. Firefighters in California are bracing for a change in the weather.
It only takes one ember to blow downwind to start another fire. Embers have been known to travel several miles.
Windstorms are expected to arrive Tuesday night, fanning the flames and keeping thousands from their homes.
I had 3 phone calls starting at 3 a.m. The first 2 were from the fire department saying, get ready to be evacuated. The last call was, evacuate now.
The fire in wine country north of San Francisco has already burned through 75,000 acres as it creeps towards the city of Santa Rosa.
So we're in this critical, really 24-hour window. We're hopeful that the winds will ease off after midnight tonight.
Flames wiped out several homes on this street in Los Angeles. All that's left are the charred remains. The damage so bad it's hard to tell where the homes begin and where they end.
We're fighting nature. That's what nature does through here. We may have the best plan in place, and weather decides to do something different.
Some residents are being left in the dark while the fires burn. A new round of fire-preventing blackouts started this morning, leaving up to 2.5 million people without electricity until the fire threat passes. Some of the strongest winds of the season are expected to start here tonight and then last until Thursday. And it's those winds that fuel these fires. As you can see behind me, firefighters are already staging in preparation of those winds. Reporting live from Los Angeles, Danya Backus, CBS 4 News.